Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hello. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, so happy. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and share this podcast with your friends. Give it a like, too. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so what is our topic today, Rachel?
Today, we are going to talk about our day, our daily routines.
Ah, a great topic. Very useful. We talk about our day every day.
Exactly. So, let's talk about a normal day, a weekday.
Okay, a weekday. So, the morning. What time do you wake up, Rachel?
On a weekday, I wake up at 7 o'clock, 7 a.m.
7 o'clock. Okay. Do you get up right away?
No, I don't. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
Me too. It's so warm in bed. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, very early. I like the morning. It's quiet.
That's nice. So, after you get up, what do you do?
First, I drink a big glass of water.
Oh, that is very healthy. Good job.
Thank you. Yes, water is important. Then I go to the kitchen.
For breakfast?
Yes, for breakfast. I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal.
Me too. What do you have for breakfast, Charles?
I usually have toast with butter and jam, and a big cup of coffee.
Coffee. I need coffee in the morning.
Yes, coffee is essential. What about you? What do you eat?
I like to eat yogurt with fruit. Sometimes I have cereal with milk.
That sounds healthy and delicious. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee. 1 cup. With a little milk.
Nice. So, we have breakfast. Then what?
Then I brush my teeth. Very important.
Yes, very, very important. I brush my teeth too, of course.
Good. And after that, I get dressed for work.
Okay, so you choose your clothes. I do that too.
And then I go to work. I leave my house at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay, I leave my house at 7:30 a.m.
So you are an early bird.
I am. I like to start my day early. It feels good.
That's great. So that's the morning. Now, what about the afternoon?
The afternoon is usually for work. I work at an office.
Me too. I work on a computer. I write emails.
Yes, many, many emails. I also have meetings.
Oh, meetings. Yes, I have meetings too. Sometimes they are long.
Yes, very long. And for lunch, what do you do for lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. I bring my lunch from home.
Oh, that's nice. What do you bring?
I often have a salad or a sandwich, something simple and quick.
A sandwich is a great lunch. I sometimes go to a small cafe near my office.
What do you eat there?
I like to eat soup and bread. It's warm and nice.
Soup is good, especially on a cold day.
Yes, exactly. And do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Sometimes, if I feel tired, I drink a small cup of coffee.
Me too. Around 3 p.m., I sometimes need more energy.
Yes, that's the sleepy time of the day.
It is. So work finishes. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m.
I finish at 5 o'clock too. We have the same work hours.
Yes, we do. So after work, you go home?
Yes, I go home. Sometimes I walk. If the weather is nice, I like to walk.
Walking is great exercise. I usually take the bus.
The bus has good too. It's fast.
Yes. So now it is the evening. What do you do in the evening, Charles?
The first thing I do when I get home is change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, me too. It feels so good to take off work clothes.
It's the best feeling. Then I relax for a little bit. Maybe I listen to music.
That sounds very relaxing. I like to sit on my sofa and read a book.
Reading is wonderful. What do you do for dinner?
I love to cook, so I cook dinner every evening.
Wow, you cook every day? That's amazing.
I try. I like it. It's creative. I cook pasta or maybe chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. I am not a great cook.
Oh, really? So what do you eat?
I can cook simple things like eggs or a simple pasta. Sometimes I order food.
Ordering food is easy and nice sometimes. A pizza, maybe.
Yes, I love pizza. Pizza is my favorite food for dinner.
It's a classic. Everyone loves pizza. Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, I do. We eat dinner together and talk about our day.
That is so important. Family time is special. I eat with my family too.
It's the best part of the day. So, after dinner, what's next?
After dinner, we clean the kitchen together.
Oh, teamwork. That's good.
Yes, many hands make it fast. Then we watch TV.
Ah, TV time. What do you watch?
We like to watch movies or a TV series. We watch one episode every night.
That's fun. I like to watch sports on TV. Football is my favorite.
I see. So you watch football and I watch a series. Different things.
Yes, or sometimes I don't watch TV. I read a book.
Reading before bed is very relaxing.
It is. It helps me to feel sleepy.
Me too. So, what time do you go to bed, Charles?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m.
10 o'clock. That's a good time. You get a lot of sleep.
I try to. I need my 8 hours of sleep. What about you?
I go to bed a little later, around 11 o'clock.
Okay, 11 p.m. Still a good time.
Yes, and then the next day, it all starts again.
Wake up, eat, work, sleep, repeat.
Exactly. But that is a weekday. Is your weekend different?
Oh, yes. The weekend is very different. Thank goodness.
Yes. So on Saturday, do you wake up at 6:30 a.m.?
No, no, no. On Saturday, I wake up at 9 o'clock, maybe even 9:30 a.m.
Ah, sleeping in. It's the best. I wake up late too. No alarm clock.
No alarm clock is true freedom. And breakfast is different too.
Oh, how is it different?
It's a big breakfast, a special breakfast. Maybe I make pancakes.
Pancakes. Wow, I love pancakes. With syrup?
Yes, with lots of syrup and fruit. It's a slow, happy breakfast.
That sounds perfect. I also have a bigger breakfast on the weekend. Maybe eggs and toast and orange juice.
Classic and delicious. So, what do you do on Saturday? No work.
No work. Hooray. On Saturday, I like to go out. Maybe go to the park.
The park is a great idea. I like to go to the park and walk.
Or sometimes I meet my friends. We go for coffee.
Seeing friends is what weekends are for. I do that too. We talk and laugh.
It's very important. What about Saturday evening? Do you cook?
Sometimes. Or we go to a restaurant for dinner. It's a special treat.
Going to a restaurant is fun. You can try new food.
Yes, and no cleaning the kitchen after.
That is a very good point. The best part.
What about Sunday? Is Sunday a busy day or a lazy day for you?
For me, Sunday is a lazy day. A very, very lazy day.
I like the sound of that. Tell me more.
I stay at home. I wear my pajamas for a long time.
Yes, pajama day. I love those days.
I read my book. I listen to music. I just relax.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. Total relaxation.
It is. I need one day to do nothing. It helps me get ready for the new week.
I understand completely. My Sunday is similar. It's a quiet day.
Do you do anything special on Sunday?
I like to prepare for the week. I look at my calendar. I make a small plan.
Ah, you are very organized. That's a good idea.
It helps me feel less stressed on Monday morning. But it's a very simple, quick plan.
I should try that. So on Sunday evening, a quiet dinner at home?
Yes, a simple dinner. And I still go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Even on Sunday?
Yes, so I am ready for Monday. I don't want to be tired.
That is very smart. I sometimes go to bed late on Sunday, and Monday morning is difficult.
Yes, Monday mornings can be very difficult.
So, to describe your day, you use simple verbs like I wake up, I eat, I work.
Yes, exactly. And you can say the time. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And you can talk about meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
That's right. It's a great way to practice English every day. You just think, what am I doing now?
Oh, I like that. Now I am drinking coffee. Now I am reading an email.
Yes, it's simple practice. You can do it in your head.
That's a great tip, Charles. Very useful.
And you can talk about things you like. I like to read books. I like to watch TV.
Or things you do with your family or friends. I meet my friends. I eat dinner with my family.
It tells a story, the story of your day.
I love that. The story of my day. It makes it sound so much more interesting than just a routine.
It is interesting. Every day is a little different.
That's true. Sometimes I go to the supermarket after work.
Oh, yes, I do that too. Maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday?
And sometimes I have to do laundry. That's a fun evening activity.
Oh, yes, laundry is so much fun. Or cleaning the house.
But it is part of the day, part of the routine.
It is. It's all part of the story. So we have the morning, the afternoon, and the evening.
And we have weekdays and weekends. They are different stories.
This is a great conversation. I feel like I know your day very well now, Rachel.
And I know your day, Charles. I know you love coffee and pancakes.
And I know you love to cook and read books on the sofa.
It's nice to share. It helps us connect.
It really does. And we hope this helps all of you connect with English.
Yes, practice talking about your day. What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the evening? What do you do on the weekend?
It's a fantastic way to build your vocabulary and your confidence.
Absolutely. You can start simple, just 3 sentences. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Yes, perfect. And then you can add more. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat toast for breakfast. I go to work by bus.
That's great. See? It's easy to add more details.
It is. You just build it step by step.
Well, I think that is a great place to finish our chat for today.
I agree. This was so much fun. Talking about a normal day can be very interesting.
It can. So, everyone listening, thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed talking about the day with us.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English on the Way.
And give this episode a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family who are also learning English.
And for this episode, we have a question for you.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you do every day.
It can be anything. I drink tea in the morning, or I listen to music at night.
We would love to read your comments and learn about your day.
Yes, we would. Thank you all again for listening.
It was great to be with you. Until next time, keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.